Well, hello. I know what you're thinking. Another MagSafe video. Well, yeah. But this one has a twist. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, I have a couple of cases here that have been sent to me for review. And these are clear MagSafe cases. However, you would seem to think, yeah, oh look, Michael's got a couple of MagSafe stands there in front of him, and he's got an iPhone, so he's going to be doing an iPhone case review. Well, that's where you're wrong. So here I have a clear MagSafe case for a iPhone 13 Pro Max, but I also have a clear MagSafe case for a Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's check these out. So these cases are from the guys at Horigay. If I'm mispronouncing that, I deeply apologise, but I'm just saying what I see. What we have here is we have a case, we have two screen protectors, we have a microfiber, microfiber cloth, and an alcohol pad and some dust absorber sticky pads. Very good. And then what we have here as well is a lens cover. Interesting. I've never covered the lenses on a phone before, but that's cool that comes with them. That's not a bad little package. So, two screen protectors and a case. That's pretty decent. And a lens cover. That's not bad. So, we do have we've got plastic film on this. So there's plastic film on the inside and the outside. Yeah, so there we are. It's nothing special. It's a clear MagSafe case for the 13 Pro Max. It does exactly what it says in the tin. It's got a magnetic ring. It's got good clicky buttons. It's a solid frame. It's got a good bump up over the camera. Ticks all the boxes. And it is MagSafe. Magnet strength is decent. Great. So that's the 13 Pro Max. But chances are, if you're a Samsung user, that's not why you've clicked on this video. So we'll just set that to the side. And we will open this. And it's exactly the same. So we have our case, we have our camera lens covers, which is also made of tempered, I'm assuming tempered glass. Oh, why is there an iPhone one in there? Whoopsies. And again, wipes and all that jazz. I do respect the putting the film on the front and the back, you know, to keep it clean and keep it dust free. But it's especially the inside is an absolute nightmare to get it off. So in case you pick one of these up and you look at it and you go, it's a bit hazy, it's because there's film on it. So make sure you take film off. If I can even get it off. Look at that. That's dreadful. We're sucking diesel now. And there we go. So personally, I am glad to see this because yes, MagSafe is a Apple thing, and I do feel a bit bad for Samsung users and Android users in general because with an iPhone you get so many options when it comes to charging. I mean, there's a 2-in-1 stand there, and there's another one, and there's another stand, and these are all MagSafe stands, and these are all MagSafe stands, and I'm sure if you're a Samsung user, you're looking at some of these things and going, yeah, they're pretty cool. I would like, you know, to have one of them on my desk or by my bed or whatever. Sometimes it sucks a little bit because you can't use those sorts of things, and especially for the likes of myself, I review phones and I change phones and use two phones at once at times. And for me personally, if I had a Samsung phone in for review, I don't want to have to change chargers and all that sort of stuff. I'd love to just be on my desk and go, do you know what? I'll stick my phone on there and it'll be charged. So, let's see what this case is like. I have not one, but two S22 Ultras. They're dummy phones. So, let's try that. So yeah, good fitment, good bumper on the top and the bottom. It is silicone, but it is what I would say a slightly stiffer silicone. You'll get good shock absorption there. You know, good buttons. And then on the bottom we have our cutout for the speaker, the charging port, and the S Pen as well. This is the white version of the phone, and the ring sort of blends in quite well with the white phone, which isn't too bad. And here we go. So we'll just try it on a handful of stands I have here. Nope, this wee one's not great. The camera bump's kind of getting in the way, but you can sort of move it. This head's adjustable, which is okay. And then we'll try this one. That's the anchor one. Yeah, I mean that's a really, I love this stand. It's one of my favorites. It's pretty good. Oops. Now, I personally do think there's a bit of a trade-off when it comes to these, because in an iPhone, exactly where the ring is on the case is exactly where the ring is on the phone itself. So you're maybe getting a slight little bit of magnet strength from the phone and the case, whereas on this you're just going to have the magnets on the case. So in my opinion, this is going to be a little bit less strong than the iPhone would be, but it still does the job. When it's on the stand, it's still decent. Can't be bad. And then we'll try the other box. Yeah, again, great options. And then we'll try my little ultra slim. How cool is this? How slim and ultra skinny is this? Now, we have the same problem as you can see here with the MagSafe ring on here. The camera bump is getting in the way on this one. Kind of sucks, but it still works. It's just not straight. So yeah, and then obviously because this is white, this blends in quite well. So let's just try this with the burgundy. So there you go. That's it with the burgundy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you be happy with a big white ring on the back of your Samsung? Do you think maybe that you could be walking down the street and, you know, on the phone, and then you'll have an iPhone user going, what the hell? You know, Samsung with MagSafe? You'll definitely get some looks from some iPhone users for sure. But do any of you guys use lens protectors for your phones? I personally have never used one. Don't know if I would use one. So yeah, there you go. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Personally for me, I'm glad to see more case manufacturers do this, because the first manufacturer I seen do a MagSafe layout on a case was Pataka. And I'll be truthfully honest, I was happy to see it. Again, like I say, when I'm reviewing different phones and things like that there, it's nice to just stick to using one set of accessories, and MagSafe I definitely think is a good option. Plus, you know, with you buying a case, it could open you up to buying some other accessories, you know, and it doesn't leave you limited, because with Samsung you kind of are. You're kind of limited when it comes to third-party accessories, especially chargers. And yeah, it's nice to see it. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Is it blasphemy? Is it MagSafe on Samsung? So as always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description below if you're interested in picking one of these cases up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more. So if you're interested in picking one up, there you go, links in the description. That about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So yeah, until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.